Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and available video file. Do that now. Next, pick the simplest source, an MP4 or GIF, because compatibility matters. Install a dedicated wallpaper app or plan to use Safari with picture-in-picture for a quick workaround. The app is more stable, while the PyP route is immediate. Once installed or queued, grant the app desktop permissions in system settings so it can run. This prevents later permission errors and keeps playback smooth. Once your video is loaded, configure looping and mute settings. Continuous, silent playback is typical for a wallpaper. Make sure to match scale and crop to your display resolution so pixels stay sharp. This avoids stretching and blurring. Then choose quality versus performance. Lower quality reduces CPU/GPU load but preserves battery life. Higher quality looks better on external monitors. Finally, set the app to launch at login so your wallpaper is persistent. This prevents manual restarting after reboots or updates. Finish by testing the wallpaper across display modes and after closing apps. Make sure it persists and stays synchronized with refresh rate. If you encounter a black screen, permission denial, or missing playback, go to System Settings and allow screen recording or accessibility for the Wallpaper app. This is often the cause. If stuttering continues, convert the file to a short H. 264 MP4 and lower quality settings, update the app, or restart the dock. These steps resolve most final issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.